this is me, Paloma, and welcome to WTF, the show that brings you all the goss on your favorite Hollywood and Bollywood celebrities. Who's been good, who's been bad, and who's been really, really naughty. Our top stories for today are Lara and Mahesh's marriage on the rocks, Kangana Ranaut angry with Asin, Justin Bieber turns spa therapist for Selena, and the ladies in Ranbir Kapoor's life. We know that showbiz is famous for short marriages, but if rumors are to be believed, then Lara Datta and Mahesh Bhupathi might actually set one of the records for the shortest marriage ever. Apparently, the couple has been having trouble over Lara's ex-boyfriend, Kelly Dorji. Lara's apparently still in touch with Kelly Dorji, with whom she had a long relationship. And this bonding seems to not have gone down well with new hubby Mahesh. They reportedly got into a heated argument after Mahesh questioned her about her rapport with Kelly. If reports are to be believed, Lara still maintains contact with Kelly, which Mahesh isn't happy about. Kelly and Lara were in a relationship with each other for about 10 years, but things started going sour when Dino Moria got involved, and as a result, the two parted ways. However, Lara still remains good friends with Kelly, which Mahesh does not like. According to Mahesh, Kelly and Lara's relationship is creating a distance between the couple. Lara and Mahesh started off their married life by alienating the press on their wedding day. So when rumors of their split started floating about, the press was more than happy to report it. But one couple we do know has split for sure is Justin Timberlake and his longtime girlfriend, Jessica Biel. In fact, he came out and admitted it, but said he didn't want to say too much because he wanted to protect the things that were dear to him. I would rather not talk about her because it's hurtful for me. She is single-handedly the most significant person in my life. In my 30 years, she is the most special person, okay? I don't want to say more because I have to protect things that are dear to me. For instance, her. Vanity Fair magazine quoted the singer as saying. The sexy back singer also hinted the reason behind the breakup by saying, I think the mistake is that people commit to who that person is right then and not the person they're going to become. That's the art of staying together, is changing together. When you say it like that, it seems damn near impossible, right? Justin also revealed that he is contemplating walking down the aisle. As little as 6 months ago, I wouldn't have even thought about that. But now it feels like a closer planet orbiting around, he added. While Mr. Timberlake is doing his best to keep everything rather vague, the feeling we get from all this is that Jessica Biel has a couple of secrets that we don't know about. And while we'd love for him to tell us a few, it looks like Justin Timberlake does not want to be the one to make the first move in the post-split battle. WTF would not be complete without a really juicy catfight every once in a while, and don't worry, we will not disappoint. This week, it's Kangana versus Asin. And I guess we all know that if you really want to get two chicks fighting, all you have to do is throw in a hot guy. This week, the dude in demand is, surprise, surprise, Salman Khan. This time, it's not competition but foul mouth that has made Kangana Ranaut and Asin sworn enemies. It is said that the former is angry with the latter for spreading false stories about her and actor Salman Khan. Rumors are doing the rounds that Kangana and Salman are more than just good friends. And Kangana thinks that Asin, who is also close to the actor, is responsible for spreading false stories about them. She thinks that the ready heroine is trying to break their friendship by creating her own imaginative story. It's interesting to note how Bollywood Asin is pretty much completely the opposite from Kollywood Asin, because first of all, she used to manage to keep herself completely controversy-free, besides which she was never too friendly with heroes, she never wore skimpy clothes, and now she seems to be doing, like I said, exactly the opposite. Then again, when you've had only one hit film, I guess you need to do something, otherwise your career will be over, well, before it even starts. A lot of celebrities caused trouble on the roads and managed to get away, but TV star Snooki did the one thing that would ensure that she'll get caught. Yep, she crashed into, guess what? A police car. Good job. According to sources, Snooki is shooting for season 4 of the reality show Jersey Shore in Italy. She was driving a Fiat with co-star and a member of the production team when she hit the back of the patrol car. None sustained any serious injuries, but 2 officers were rushed immediately to the local hospital. The TV star's vehicle was sandwiched between the highway wall and the police cruiser in the accident. Her co-star Dina, who was in the passenger seat, had to exit through the window because the door was blocked by the wall. Meanwhile, this fender bender had brought the rush hour traffic to a standstill. However, Snooki has not been arrested for the car accident but was taken into the Central Police Station of Florence to file routine paperwork. Sources claim that the TV star was interrogated about the crash and may face charges at a later date. Traffic-related accidents are now becoming the latest trend when it comes to celebrities who want some attention. Now, it usually involves getting drunk, have the cops chase you around for a while, and then finally you get arrested. But Snooki decided to save everybody some time by crashing directly into a cop car. Now, if that won't get you noticed, I don't know what will. On that note, let's take a quick break. We'll see you right back here with lots more juicy stuff after this. Coming up on WTF, Justin Bieber turns spa therapist for Selena Gomez, Kim Kardashian engaged finally, and the leading ladies in Ranbir's life.